Hello there mga ka-chupals, ito si Albert Martinez.
Hello mga ka-chupals, at nandito tayo sa SMX at kasama natin si Sir Albert Martinez.
Hello, hello to everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening.
And Sir Albert, regarding po pala sa pagko-collect nyo po, is ano pala yung mga kino-collect nyo? Anong klaseng vintage or classic po?
I'm more on collecting classic cars. So I've started siguro early 90s with the 1974 Mercedes-Benz SL, and then lumaki na from there. And then this particular car, the 68 Mercury Cougar, it's my gift for my wife Lizelle. I built it for her in her favorite color, na purple.
And sir, regarding po pala sa pagko-collect, sir, paano pala kayo na-introduce sa mga gantong vintage or mga classic po?
Siguro because of my father also, because my father is also a collector. So from there, na-carry over sa akin. And we're a family who loves cars, especially classic cars.
And sir, any message po para sa mga ating mga young or kahit na medyo adult po na mag-collect po ng mga ganito po?
Well, there's the two kinds of collectors kasi. Collector like me, I collect because of it has touched my life regarding a particular car. There's other collector naman who collects because they know there's value in the collection once the time comes. So dalawang klase yun. Ako, I'm more the emotional and more of the parang life challenges and life journey the way I collect.
Once again, Sir Albert, may gusto po ba kayong i-plug na any business or any ano po na pwede lang po?
Well, I have my insurance company. We serve all of the non-life insurance. So if you need any insurance for your car, your house, or your business, here we go, assurance.
Once again, thank you, Sir Albert.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hello mga ka-chupals!
Hello mga ka-chupals! Hello mga ka-chupals!
Hello mga ka-chupals, at nandito tayo sa University of the East at kasama natin si Sir